Hello, welcome back to another video. I'm Cranfaerie or Maya, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for Spearcraft. This is their December box. It was a high school musical theme, not the movie, but just generally high school musicals. So I'm very curious to see what's in here. I'm actually quite excited for this theme. I'll show you the box first though. They did like a Christmas backdrop on this one, and then they have their logo on the front. And they always add little designs, so this one has like a little reindeer etc. The side has a little camera reminding you to take photos of the box, and then on the back it has their social media handle at Spearcraft Book Box. So simple box. It's quite busy would be my one thing about it, but it is nice that it's designed. All right, opening it up, there's a sneak peek. So Spearcraft Book Box Guide to Unboxing reminds you to snap a photo, film, or photograph your unboxing and share it on Instagram with the hashtag Spearcraft Book Box, and participate in the monthly Instagram contests to win another box. So maybe I should try that this month. I will look through this a little bit more in detail afterwards. So, theme, YA Highschool Theatre, December 2020. And they ship at the end of the month, these boxes, so that's why I'm getting it to you at the end of January. This is my last one for these guys just because of the fact that it ships so late. So, there's a couple of things in here. I'm not going to read it yet. We're going to look in the box. First things first, this is exciting. There's a little Hamilton candle. So, I don't know if you can see that logo there. It's pretty familiar to everybody, I'm sure. Okay, so first of all, I love this. It's shiny. It has glitter inside it, which, if you know me, I love anything shiny and sparkly, and also orange, which is one of my favorite colors. It smells faintly like vanilla with like maybe a little bit of a pumpkin-y spice kind of undertone. It's really nice though, actually. Like, oh no, cinnamon. There's a little cinnamon. I'm just going to keep smelling and smelling different things. Either way, we'll look at it afterwards, but I do really like this candle, so I will be using this probably with my other Scribbler box. If you watched that video, I got a whole bunch of writing gear, so I'm going to probably use this while I'm doing my homework. Actually, I'll put that here. Next we have some Burn Book pins. On Wednesdays, we wear pink. So these pins are from the wonderful story Mean Girls / movie, which I adore. I don't know if there's a book actually, but the movie's great. You can see on Wednesdays we wear pink, and then Burn Book. You can see there. Those are super cute. They'll go with my pin collection. Very adorable. I love that they're high school themed. That's very cute. Take out this stuff. We have Midsummer Night's Balm Kissing Cherry flavor. Apply this and mend. Apply but this and mend. They're speaking in Shakespeare. Apply but this and all is mended. Why would they do this to my poor dyslexic soul? I do not appreciate that, but I do like the lip balm. Let's open it up and see what it smells like. I'm assuming cherries, but let's see. These are the sounds I make when opening things. Yeah, it smells like cherry. Like a cherry pop, which is kind of fun. I like that. And it's cute little lip balm. You can see it has Shakespeare on there. Gotta put it in front of my face or else it just zooms in on that. All right, bath potion. Christmas tea themed bath potion. So I don't have a bathtub, but I will definitely be sneaking over to my mom's when this pandemic's over and using this. It says, sprinkle half packet in warm bath and soak for as long as desired. And it is grapeseed oil, citric acid, and some smells. I'm excited to try that. Next we have a Hamilton themed book sleeve, which is really cute actually. I do really adore this. There's a million things I haven't done, but just you wait. Now I'm going to be singing Hamilton all day. But this is the sleeve. It is adorable. I actually super love this. I don't use book sleeves that much, but maybe I should. Now that I have this, I'm thinking I might. But I might rewatch Hamilton later too, because this is making me excited about Hamilton. All right. Happy Holidays from Spearcraft Book Box. I've got a coupon, which is really nice. Maybe I will get another one. We'll see. Today is going to be a great day, and here's why. Dear Evan Hansey, which I haven't read, but I've heard about, and it's a bookmark. This one may end up in my giveaway just because I don't know the book. So I'm going to put that there for the giveaway. This, on the other hand, is definitely Newt Scamander. And I love this so much. This art print is gorgeous. I love that you could see the Niffler. Oh my god. At first I was like, it's Ron because of the freckles and the face, but then I realized all the creatures, like it had to be Newt. And then the Niffler seals the deal. Or not Niffler. Yeah, it's a Niffler. My brain was like, it's a platypus. I was like, that's what the Fantastic Beasts movies made them look like. I always imagine them as super fuzzy balls, more like a little thing of charcoal or something. I don't know why. My brain just went there. Another Hamilton thing. So there's a million things I haven't done, but just you wait. It's a magnet. This one I'll probably put in my giveaway just because I don't use magnets as much, and someone else might want that. All right. We have a book plate. We have a reader note, and it says, Dear reader, welcome to the world of Melanie McIntyre, stage manager extraordinaire, whose exceptional skills at technical theater sadly don't carry over when it comes to managing her love life. As a major musical theater fan, Mel's all-time favorite show is Les Miserables, but she despises the movie adaptation. She loves plenty of other musicals though, and when she needs to de-stress from her theater or love-related woes, she often curls up to watch one of her old favorites. In case you could use a chance to do the same, I present Melody McIntyre's top 10 movie musicals. Here's the list. 1. Last 5 years. 2. La La Land, which is fantastic. 3. Greatest Showman. I still need to watch that. 4. Enchanted. Also great. 5. Dreamgirls. 6. West Side Story. Also good. Chicago is number 7. Into the Woods is 8. Cabaret is number 9. And 10 is Moulin Rouge. I hope you enjoy spending a little time with Mel and her crew in the love curse of Melody McIntyre. Cheers, Robin. So let's check out this book. All right. Oh, I love this cover. So, The Love Curse of Melanie McIntyre by Robin Talley. That's our book. I'm excited about this. So this is a hardcover. I like a good romantic or semi-romantic angsty teen novel. Like The Spine too. And the back says, the truth is, I'd do anything to make the spring musical go perfectly, even swear off love. So, I like a good promise not to do something. That's always a good sign. All right, let's take a look. So it has a cute little summary area there. Regular jacket. Regular jacket. Oh, pretty. Check this out, though. This is the outer part of the book. That's really gorgeous. This is almost a book that deserves to not have the cover on it, just for the sake of the beautifulness. Les Mis. So they're doing Les Miserables in the school play. That's fun. And the way they have like a whole section at the beginning about rules and things. So I'm going to definitely be reading this. I'm excited about this one. So Robin Talley is a queer author who grew up in southwestern Virginia and now lives in Washington, D.C. with her wife and their kids. Very cool. I'm excited about this. As I Descended. She also has a book called As I Descended. So, let me read you the summary. Melody McIntyre, stage manager extraordinaire, has a plan for everything. Lead actor needs a breath mint? She's on it. Comic relief busts a seam? Mel's sewing kit is at the ready. Not only is her plan A foolproof, she's got a plan B and a plan C because actors can be total fools. What she doesn't have, success with love. Every time she falls for someone during rehearsals, both the romance and the show end in catastrophe. So Mel swears off love until the upcoming production of Les Mis is over. Of course, Mel didn't count on Odile Rose, a rising star in the acting world, auditioning for the spring musical. And she definitely didn't expect Odile to be sweet and funny and care as much about the play's success as Mel. Which means that Melody McIntyre's only plan now is to try desperately not to fall in love. That looks super cute, and I'm very excited for this one. So, there's the cover one more time. So to recap, I think my favorite items for this are the book. I really love the art card with Newt Scamander. That's gorgeous. And I love the book sleeve. Let me just pull that out here. With Hamilton. And I think, it's hard to say, I think the candle for Hamilton, and I also really like the pins. I don't know, I think the only things that I maybe pass on are the bookmark, because obviously I've just got a whole bunch of bookmarks from a different one, my Scribbler. And then also, I don't know the book, so that's on me, not on you guys or on them. And then the bath powder, which I'm very excited about, but I don't have a bathtub, so I'll be using later. It's not really I don't like this, but I won't be using it right away, so. And yeah, in general, though, I liked everything that was in here, and I'm really happy with this one. I have to say, like, the last one was less cohesive, in my opinion. I think this one was very cohesive. Lots of Hamilton stuff. I would have liked to see some stuff from other musicals just to kind of round it out. Maybe some Les Mis, since there's so much in the book about Les Mis. But I am quite into this Hamilton references in here, and I love the pins from Mean Girls. I'm not really sure why looking at this again, I'm like, why is this in here? Because this isn't related to a musical. It's because it's Harry Potter themed. I love it, so I'm not going to complain. But also, I kind of feel like that's a missed opportunity to have something themed with a musical as an art print. Because there's a lot of books about musicals, I would imagine. Not that I know them, but... so let's just take a look. I'll tell you what we had in here. Where'd it go? Okay. Hamilton-inspired hand-poured 100% soy candle. That was designed by Shaked_Creates. The exclusive Dear Evan Hansen bookmark. And that was Hey Atlantis Creative. We have the magnet. Yeah, I think the magnet's my least favorite. Just because I don't really use magnets. Where is it? Okay, there's a magnet. I'll find it. Which was Spearcraft Book Box. Exclusive Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them inspired art print, which we adored. And that one is my Valens Styles. We have the book sleeve, and that was a Hamilton-inspired book sleeve, also by Spearcraft Book Box. And then we have the Christmas-themed powder, bath powder. And the Christmas bath powder is by Oily Blends on Instagram. Shakespeare lip balm. And that is by Philosophers Guild. We have the pins, which were Mean Girl themed. And those are Spearcraft Book Box. And then we have the book, which is Robin Talley. And you can find her at Robin_Talley if you're looking up her stuff on social media. I really enjoyed this book box, and I am happy that I got it. So that's my review for that. Tell me what your favorite item was in the comment, and if there's anything that you wouldn't have liked to get. In general, though, I'm very happy with this, and I'm excited about it. I'll be putting that magnet and bookmark in the giveaway. Keep tuned for that. Stay tuned for that, as that will be coming in the near future. And please remember to like and subscribe, and have a lovely day. Cheers!